You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these brand that you've probably been mispronouncing. We'll be looking at how to say more brand names as well. They make tools, pliers, cutters, popular on Amazon, wrenches, Cobra, sets of tools, pincers as well. Now it's a brand from Germany. Let's have a quick look at how to pronounce it correctly. Too many people say KNIPEX. Yeah, KN often in English makes just the N sound. The K is silent, but not in German. KNIPEX is how you want to say it. KNIPEX. KNIPEX. KNIPEX is how you say it. So you do pronounce the K. KNIPEX is how to say this brand name. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.